Hello. If you want to install the Pro plugin version of Quick Event Manager, you normally can do this from the free plugins dashboard, and it should automatically update and download the new premium plugin and deactivate the Event Manager. However, if you received an email with a download link and license key, you may need to install it manually, in which case, first of all, deactivate the free Quick Event Manager. Once that is deactivated, click on Add New on the Plugins page and upload plugins. You would have downloaded the plugin file from the email you received. So you choose that file that you've downloaded and click on Install Now. Once that is uploaded, we can click Activate Plugin, and then we're presented with the license key. Copy and paste the license key from the email you received and activate the license. This will then take you to the settings page, and the premium plugin is ready to use. You do not need to keep the free plugin, the one you deactivated, so you can delete that if you wish to tidy up.